Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today I'm going to be talking about why AMC Entertainment is a very good buy at $8.03. I just want everybody to know that everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. So let's dive in a little bit deeper and really show why AMC Entertainment right now is actually, in my personal opinion, a very good investment at the current moment. So, we've definitely seen what's been going on with the market. The market has been crashing and the market has not been doing well. A lot of it has to do with kind of Jerome Powell's speech about how they plan on raising, bond yields in the near-term future, stuff like that. So that did cause a lot of market panic, which has caused a huge sell-off in a bunch of stocks. It's not just one specific type of stock. A lot of the EV is crashing, a lot of the S&P is crashing, like all the indexes are all crashing. So why, out of all these stocks, is AMC Entertainment a very good buy right now at $8.11? It's because a lot of people are kind of starting to put their money into stocks that have not really have gotten much attention over the last couple of years. And what do I mean by this? So, during the pandemic, a lot of people put a lot of focus in stocks like techs and EV, right? Because those stocks were experiencing large amounts of growth. The companies were doing very well, even in the state of a pandemic. So if we dive in and we actually take a look on why people were doing this, is because these companies were still making money in the masses, while stocks like AMC, Carnival, Airlines, all of them really got a lot of neglected attention altogether, which kind of did turn off people from the stocks, and it really left a sour taste in a lot of people's mouth about when is a good time to actually start picking up these stocks once again, right? So stocks like AMC, stocks like Carnival, stocks like Norwegian Cruise Lines, all of these stocks that basically suffered the most from the pandemic and the pandemic kind of going on are now starting to get a lot of attention. So why does this make this a bullish case for AMC Entertainment? Why is AMC Entertainment a stock that people should be picking up at $8.04? And the reason is because people and Hollywood itself are posing eyes on AMC and these types of kind of like entertainment stocks that for a recovery pretty soon. Okay, so what do I mean by this? All right, so if you guys don't know, theaters have definitely opened in two of the biggest cities in America. That's New York and San Francisco. They're going to be opening this weekend, which is definitely going to help boost AMC's Q1 and Q2 outlook as far as its sales go altogether, right? As we can tell, AMC has slowly been getting better with their revenues and their sales. It's not as bad as when the pandemic first hit. And we do have AMC Entertainment earnings coming up here on the 10th of March. It's going to be very interesting to see how AMC does. For me, I know that AMC is not going to have the best earnings, but I know that their earnings are not going to be bad either. I think their earnings are going to be relatively decent because, like I said, movie theaters are now starting to open up, and a lot of big-time investors are now starting to basically, put money in stocks like AMC, airlines, and stuff like that because they know that these high-value stocks that once traded at so many highs and these all-time highs, like they're going to be poised for a recovery. As states have started to reopen up, as vaccines have started to flow, we have a lot of companies now making the vaccine. It's definitely raising the bullish case altogether on entertainment stocks. So movie theaters elsewhere, even in the United States, have been open for months in Florida, Texas, Ohio, but still box offices have been grim. The box office showings have not been really that good. It's because people are still afraid of the pandemic, really what's kind of been going on with the pandemic altogether, and really what's the future of the pandemic. No one really wants to run to the movie theaters if it's going to be infected with people who have COVID-19. But as states have started to reopen, and there's a lot of people who are getting vaccinated now, it's definitely going to help the outlook on these stocks. It's definitely going to help the outlook on stocks like AMC. So I do see a lot of upside potential in AMC here coming in the next couple of months, especially when it comes to the summertime. I know that, once they have their next earnings, it's going to be a huge bullish outlook for AMC, and this is why I'm actually recommending people to pick up AMC Entertainment stock at $8.07. As stated earlier in the video, obviously everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's honestly just my personal opinion, but stocks like AMC, they're poised to see a large amount of growth here in the next couple of months. It's pretty obvious. Like I said, people have not had the luxury to be able to go to the movie theater for over a year now, and people are dying to be able to go out and do the things that they once loved. The fact that they're no longer able to go do what they want freely, it's definitely going to help improve its business outlook, and people are going to be flooded to the movie theaters without a doubt. And like I said, as vaccines continue to go out, people are expecting the pandemic to be subsided by the end of the year. Imagine where stocks like AMC and how their earnings are going to be. Even Carnival and cruise lines and airlines, a lot of stocks that got neglected are definitely going to be pushed in the upward direction, and they're going to start seeing a lot more volume once again, because like I said, people never really gave up their bullish outlook on stocks like these, but what they did see is these stocks were going to take a little bit longer to recover. AMC has kind of just been trading sideways for a little bit while now, while a lot of these other tech stocks and EV have been booming. It's not that people really gave up hope on these stocks. People are still bullish on it, but people rotated it out so they could buy something else and then kind of revisit these stocks a little bit later, when the economy had a better outlook. And now that the economy is slowly starting to recover, states are starting to reopening up. Movie theaters are now allowed, more capacity. Movie theaters are now opening up in the biggest cities, which is San Francisco and New York City, which is definitely going to help boost its outlook on earnings. People got a lot more bullish, and this is a very good sign. And as this stock starts to push upward, it does have the potential chance of actually causing a short squeeze, which is definitely going to be good for the very stock altogether. This is why I do recommend people actually buy AMC Entertainment stock at $8.04. I do see a lot of upward potential here coming in the next couple of months and maybe even the next couple of years. Like I said, people have not had the luxury to go to the movie theater for a very long time, so it's definitely going to have people flooded going to the movie theaters. It's definitely going to boost earnings, and it's even with the popularity of streaming services, it's not going to really change that people like going to the movie theaters. Yes, it's cheaper, but it's always about the experience. This is why I think AMC stock is a very good buy at $8.03. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comments section below, guys, what you think of AMC. Do you guys think AMC stock is going to have a great recovery here in the year of 2021? If you guys own AMC stock, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.